Welcome back. In your 17 Court Watch, opening statements began today in the highly anticipated trial of two men accused of murdering a prison counselor. Both of the suspects' attorneys argue their client is innocent, but they say the other defendant is not. A trial nearly 2 years in the making begins after a tragic August 2022 shooting near Target on Stockdale Highway left 43-year-old Benny Alcala Jr. dead as he charged his electric car. Career criminal 31-year-old Robert Purnell Roberts and 24-year-old Sebastian Parra are charged with murder and attempted robbery in Alcala's death.
He was shot in the back and murdered.
When news first broke of his death in 2022, Alcala's mother-in-law spoke to 17 News, telling us she wanted answers.
Who and why? Because there's no understanding right now of why.
The prosecution says the motive was robbery. Roberts was initially identified as the suspect and was charged with Alcala's death. And Parra was the prosecution's key witness at Roberts' preliminary hearing, claiming he'd met Roberts that night and had nothing to do with the killing. However, a grand jury later indicted Parra. In court Monday, the prosecution argued Roberts was the shooter and Parra was a major participant in felony murder.
He knew Roberts' plan to conceal, and he followed him, and he provided the murder weapon.
But each defense attorney claimed their client was not the killer and the other defendant was. Roberts' attorney says the only gun at the scene was Parra's.
It is not attempted robbery or robbery of any sort. This is a cold-blooded murder committed by one individual, and that one individual had a loaded 9mm firearm registered in his name with ammunition that matched the exact caliber and make at the scene.
Parra's attorney said Roberts was the murderer, allegedly confessing to it on social media.
You can't get a reaction out of me no more. I got it out my system cause I slung my iron.
Both men face life terms in prison if convicted.